Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Lachelle Trends, and since in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul. This is the fall edition. Fall is officially here and your girl is excited because this is my season. This is definitely my favorite season, y'all, and yeah, I'm just excited. So Walmart has put out their new fall items. I picked some out. I can't wait to show you guys how I paired everything. Per usual, I have everything linked in the description box below. If not, I'll just let you know that it's an in-store only type deal. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and join the gang. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. Okay, sis, so for this first look, we kind of went dressy on you. My thing is boots all fall and winter long. Like, girl, I know I'm a sneaker person, but I'm gonna slide some boots in as well. Anyway, so this is the top. I got this top from the men's section. It is in the brand Wrangler, and it was, girl, in a size small, and it was $21.98. Now y'all already know medium is my normal go-to size in men's, but this is super stretchy and I was going for a more girly look, so I did size down, and I'm so glad I did because the fit is so good. I love this denim, this dark denim. They had light denim as well, but the dark denim just felt right for the fall. It has buttons, and I thought it was so cute with the brown. As you can see, the brown little girl, I don't even buttons. I just thought it was cute because normally it'd be like white or something, and I just cannot stand that. So I'm glad they are brown buttons, and again, y'all, it's very stretchy and it fits me really nice. So I paired it with this cute skirt that I got from the women's section. It's in the brand Free Assembly. I got it in a size 8. Normally a size 10 is my normal go-to size, but I kind of tend to size down in skirts just because they run a little bit big for whatever reason, just on me personally. So anyways, size 8. Girl, I thought the price was on there. Okay, here it is. So size 8, Free Assembly, and the skirt was $24. Sis, that is a steal. This is a good deal for a pleated skirt. It's very thick material, of course, for the fall. As you can see, it's a plaid pattern, and I just thought it was cute. It as well had the matching blazer to go with it, but I kind of wanted to just pair them separately, but yes, you can pair them together if you want to, but this is just so cute paired with that denim top. To bring out the brown, I put it with some brown chestnut type boots, and then my brown chestnut type fedora, which is actually from Ross, I believe. Ross, and nope, I think it's from Ross. Anyways, and then the shoes are from Stitch Fix. So yeah, it pairs together very nicely. And then my bag is from Zara. It's an old little fur bag, and this look just says fall, girl. It literally just says fall. So this next look is another dressy look, but this time let's throw in that graphic tee, because you know it is not a haul with me unless I wear some type of graphic tee somewhere. We just gonna throw it in there. But yeah, so this is the graphic tee. If you already watched my haul, you already know that I had this shirt in my last haul, but they as well still have these tops at my stores. So yeah, it's the James Brown tee. It's by the brand Lee, and it was $14.98, and I got it in a size medium. Size medium is my normal go-to size. I probably could have sized down, but again, I already had this tee. But if you do want a more fitted look, I would suggest to size down because it is fairly large, but that's exactly how I like my fit. But I did go ahead and tuck this under my bra just so I can have that cropped look, because I wanted to make this look girly. So yeah, just really cute. As you can see, it's James Brown. We love James Brown. The color just screams fall. Like, the colors together screams fall. So then I paired it with this skirt, which I lucked up, and it just went together so nicely, y'all. Like, when I say it just goes. So yeah, I got this skirt from the women's section. It's in the brand Time and True. Sis, do we have a tag? We don't have a tag, girl. I don't know what I did with it. I know, oh, here it is. I'm about to say, I know it has to be here somewhere. Okay, So the tag says I got it in a size medium and she was $14.98, which again is a really good deal. It's like this satin type of material. It as well came in different colors and patterns, but I chose to get this solid color because burgundy, maroon, whatever you want to call it, is perfect for the fall. Like, it's the fall color. It as well has like this little split right here, which is very subtle. It's not too much, not too, you know. I kept it paired with the same boots, the same hats. I had to think about it. The same hat, and then the bag is the same bag, just a different color. It's a dark brown, just to tie in the dark brown in the top. Again, my browns are a little off, just like they were in the first outfit, but sis, ain't nobody looking that hard. Brown is brown, and that is it, period, the end. But the outfit is real cute paired together, and then my jewelry is from Zara as well. So this next look, I was going for like a dressy look, but then I wanted to dress it down with a cap. I was gonna put on some sneakers, but I kind of liked it with the wedge. Like, the wedge is kind of cute. Anyways, this is the blazer that matched the skirt from the first fit. And again, I told y'all I wanted to pair them separately. So again, this is from Free Assembly. The same material, very thick, just very nice material. It has the shoulder pads at the top, and plaid, size medium, and it was $45, which again, y'all, is a perfect price point for a blazer, because if you shop at Zara's blazers, it's like 100 something. Like any blazer, quality blazer, you're gonna pay $40 and above for it. So I thought this was a good price point. I probably would have sized up just because I have a long sleeve top underneath and it is very tight, and or I probably should have wore a short sleeve top, but I kind of like my blazers to be a little loose, a little baggy. You already know my little style or whatever. I like loose and baggy, but I'm not mad at the medium. I feel like I probably just should have chose a different top. Anyways, the blazer fits okay how it's supposed to fit, like I just said. The pockets are fake. Yeah, okay, just like I thought. The pockets is an illusion, fake pockets, but overall it's like a real cute blazer. This is the top that I paired underneath it. It's a Free Assembly top, size medium, from the women's section, and she was $14. Y'all, I have so many of their basic tees. I love Free Assembly's basic tees. In the summertime, I literally probably grabbed every color. I probably should have sized down. This is a size medium, and it is very stretchy material, very nice material, but again, it's super stretchy, so a size small probably would have fit me better. But again, y'all, she's just very plain and simple, basic, like this off-white top. Then I paired the look off with these bottoms. Again, Free Assembly, size 10. Ooh, girl, these bottoms were $32, and they're like a I want to say a parachute type of bottom, or a balloon fit. That's maybe a balloon fit. Okay, that's what we're gonna go with, a balloon fit type of cargo. It doesn't say that on here, but the pants kind of go out right here, and then at the bottom it's like this straight leg. Like, I love this type of style pants. I get them from Zara all the time, to where they just, again, y'all, it just goes out. It has the cargo and then that straight leg bottom. It just, girl, it goes so good with booties, as to why I did not want to wear a sneaker. I kind of wanted to just dress up, dress down type look, but it is so cute together, y'all. I paired it as well with a hat that I got from Ross, and then the same booties, I believe the same jewelry, and then the bag is the same little furry bag. So this next look, y'all, I kept that same top on that I just had in the previous outfit, and then I paired it with these camo pants. And y'all, I don't know, are we calling them camo or hunter? They're really hunter pants, but anyways, camo hunter pants. That's what I paired it with. I didn't have these for a long time, sis, like a long time, but they're still in stores. However, the ones in stores is a different type of material. It's the same brand, Real Tree, again from the hunting section. I still have the tag on these pants. Or I thought I did. Oh, I do. I keep it in a pocket just for these purposes. But yeah, they're lady cargos, Real Tree, and they are $19.94. However, let me say this, I have had these for so long now. Love them to death, but since inflation hits, the prices have went up and they're literally double the price. So if you go to the stores to get them now, they are $39.94, and the only difference is like a slippery type material, almost like it's waterproof. This is like a more jean fit material, but it's literally the same exact pattern, like the same exact pattern, same exact style, same exact brand, same everything except for that polyester type fabric that they use for the pants. I don't know, sis. I don't know. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know. I'm glad I got mine when I did, but if you are interested in them, they are just a little bit more pricey, but they're so cute, y'all. I feel like these are like the authentic camo pants or whatever. So yeah, real cute. Again, paired it with that same white top, and then I paired it as well with this hat. It's a Real Tree hat, again from the hunting section. It says Real Tree on the going across, and it was $6.84, and it's just a one size fit all. It's a snapback. So yeah, real cute, because you know we have to keep it player. No, I'm playing, but you know we have to have like a little street fit. You know how I am. But yeah, girl, I just thought it was so cute. So I paired it with my little Zara orange and black bag, and then my same Jordans that I always wear when I wear orange and black, and she cute. So this last look is another graphic tee look. This one is Tupac from the men's section, size small, and these were $8.98. Girl, I'm looking at it like it says the price, but I remember it was $8.98. Size small. Again, it's not the normal size that I would get, but this is the only size that they had, so I just got it. So yeah, super cute top. You know how we love a good graphic tee, and especially when it is hip-hop. So yeah, real cute. Then I paired it with this jacket. This jacket is from the, I want to say from the junior section, but somebody put it in the women's section only because I know Celebrity Pink is the brand, and that is a junior section brand. But I got it in a size large. This was probably a take back from somebody because my store doesn't typically carry Celebrity Pink, but I got it in a size large, and it was $29.50, and it's like this faux leather type of material, and then it's cropped, and it's like a cute little jacket. It's not too light, it's not too heavy, literally perfect for the fall. It'll keep you warm just a little bit, and girl, I just thought she was really cute to pair with the look. I paired it with the same green bottoms. I have initially had a black pair of skinny jeans, but I could not fit them, girl, whatsoever. So I paired it with these green pants, and I kind of like it. Like green, the neutrals always are gonna hit. They're always gonna go no matter what. So yeah, I paired it with the same green pants, my black and white high top dunks. Then for the accessory, we have this cute black and white bag that I have been eyeing at Walmart for some time now, and it went on sale. The brand is No Boundaries. Originally it was $14.97, and I got it on sale for $11, and she is just the cute girl, the cutest little bag. Like, sis, I love it. So yeah, that is the whole little fit. Okay, sis, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.